BB, 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 BB. Come here, boy. BB. Hey, guys. Look how big BB got. He was so tiny. Oh, so cute. I wanna eat him. Hey, Moosey. Moosey Jr. Hey, little coil. Is that Sally? Hi, Sally. Sally looks scary. I don't like black cats. Help me. Hey, BB. You're so cute, BB. Oh, are they fighting? Oh my god. What? You don't like her either. Look at her. She's so cute. Sally. I'm gonna get you. I'm gonna get you. Did Mushy and Sally leave? Where's she? Where is she? Mushy's here. Hey, Mushy. It looks like she's not sick anymore. She got better. She's gonna live a long time now. There's Sally. What's Sally doing? Is she drinking water from the tree? The tree's dead. We need to take it away from here. Oh, are you eating food? How cute. Oh, he's so cute. Look at him. Moosey. Cats? You want cats? Oh. He's done eating. It's a nice cloudy day. Some people have flags in their houses. I don't have any flags in my house. Hey, guys. Hey, Moosey. Moosey Jr. What are you cowing about? What are you meowing for? You don't like Sally, huh? Ew, he's spraying. Yeah, he's not neutered yet. He's gonna get someone pregnant. Moosey. Moosey jar. I think we'll find more cats in the backyard. Pumpkin. We have lemons in the tree and trash cans. Oh, she's not here anymore. I wanted to see Callie. Callie! Whoa, check it out. This is where the cats stay. My mom's cats, not my cats. Yes, I gave them that, sadly. It's okay, I don't need it anyway. Here's the little one, he's sick. Where's Callie? I want to see Callie. She's a pretty cat. Callie! That's a nice, shiny. They followed me in here. Let's find Callie. Where is she? Oh yeah, I left it open. That's why they followed me. Let's go find Callie. Hey, there's a cat up there. That's funny. Come on, Mushy. There's one here. This is Jackie. She gave birth to Sally. Hi, Jackie. We're looking for Callie, but I can't. Where is she? She's a calico. Calico girl. There's Pickle. He's hiding over there. Pickle. Hey, kitty. How'd you get up there? My backyard, this backyard looks like There's Callie. She's so gorgeous. Hey, girl. You're so gorgeous. Hi, Callie. Hi, girl. Oh my God, look at that face. She looks like a brownie. Hey, brownie. She's a big one. She's a big cat. Look at him. Wow, look at his backyard. The things are growing very big here. Oh, that's so sweet. Thank you. She just rubbed against me like, hello. She looks like a marbled cake. She's bigger than Mushy. Ew, somebody threw up over there. Their cage, their toys. Some shit over there. Some flies flying around, but they're not on Mushy anymore because she's clean now. Some crates, I don't know why, but everything is in winter mode. She's so cute, oh my God. What else do we have here? Those flowers are still there. Yeah. These are sheds. We put things in them. Wow, look at all those. They're dying. The weeds are all dying. So that's good. There's a cat up there. An airplane. It's a nice cloudy day. There's Jackie. There's Sally. She looks scary. I'm scared. We have grapefruits here. They're really good. We had like 4 of them, I think. There's still more in there. They're good. What the heck is this? So many screws. Hey, look. When we used to play